We stay with those pictures that are now coming in of what has now been remains of Pakistan humiliation. As far as complete annihilation of these missiles and these drones, the debris that you can see is of a downed Pakistani missile. And what is being said that parts of those missiles that have been recovered from the fields there in Bikaner and also in Jaisalmer. Remember, these are all parts of the border areas. How, when it comes to these missiles and these projectiles have been completely decimated. This is India's coordinated counter strikes and air defense that has neutralized Pakistan's second wave of drone and missile attacks in 24 hours that has targeted multiple cities as well. Sabyasachi is reporting. Sabyasachi, we're getting those pictures there. If you can explain to us what all has been found in those fields in Jaisalmer.
Well, that's right. Let me show you the exclusive visuals out here. You can see this particular projectile, which has been intercepted by the Indian Army, which is currently lying on the ground right now. And this particular projectile and similar projectiles have been fired from the Pakistan side at around 4:30 in the morning, which has been successfully intercepted. Now, this is one of them, which is lying on the open ground. The other one has hit near a residential area. We will report from there as well. But what is good to know is that nobody has been harmed. The army has been successful in intercepting all of these projectiles. Now, this is the third round of projectile which has been fired by from the Pakistan side, because 9 to 9 p.m. in the night, there were 4 projectiles which was fired by the Pakistan side in 2 waves, and that has been successfully intercepted. We'll speak to the people out here. Sir, ये बताइए, ये कब धमाके की आवाज आई?
सुबह 4:30 बजे बड़े 3 धमाके हुए। तो हमने आसपास गांव पूरा जग गया। गांव वालों ने सोचा इधर हुआ। थोड़ी देर बाद, घंटे भर में पता भी चल गया कि ये बडोड़ा गांव की सरहद में मंगलियों की ढाणी है, वहां खेतों के अंदर ही हुआ है। तो फिर प्रशासन भी आ गया, पुलिस भी आ गई। ये पाकिस्तान की नाका बरकत है, जो भारत के रिहायशी इलाकों में ऐसी नाका बरकत करता रहता है। हमारे को हमारी सेना पे, हमारी सरकार पे और हमारी कुलदेवी तनोट राय पे पूरा भरोसा है। वो पहले भी उन्होंने नाका बरकतों को पाकिस्तान के बम गिराए थे, वो देवी ने फटने नहीं दिए थे, और हमारी आर्मी ने, हमारी सेनाओं ने उनको जवाब दिया था। और आज भी हमें पूरा भरोसा है यहाँ की जनता को कि आर्मी इनको
show you the exclusive visuals out here. You can see the army personals also have report. They are currently inspecting this projectile. These are the exclusive visuals that the Times Now viewers are seeing on the screen. You can see this projectile which has been intercepted by the army and which has landed out here. Now it is being checked by the army personnel out here. Now these are the exclusive visuals which Times Now viewers are seeing on the screen from Jaisalmer. Now as we were speaking to the villagers, they stated that it was at around 4:30 when they heard the blast, and now we had seen that already the police was on ground, and now the army personals have reached out here. You can see how they are inspecting the projectile out here which has landed in Jaisalmer, and the entire village is out here, and they are also expressing their support to the army personals, and also will get a word from them. Sir, आप ये बताइए, सिर्फ यही है या आसपास का और कहीं?
आसपास गिरा ना, यहाँ पास में ढाणी है, मंगलियों की ढाणी है, उसमें गिरा। वहां से 500 मीटर के दायरे में 3-4 टुकड़े बड़े गिरे है जाके। तो ये अगर गांव के अंदर गिरते तो बहुत बड़ा नुकसान कर देते, पर चलो गांव से दूर गिरने से ये बड़ा नुकसान होने से बच गया।
और ये जो कह रहे हैं जो घर के पास गिरा है, वो कितनी दूर है?
ये 500 मीटर मंगलियों की ढाणी वहां गिरा। ये मेरे भाई पूरण सिंह जी है, उनका खेत है, उसके अंदर ये 500 मीटर दूर आके ये मिसाइलें की टुकड़े गिरे।
आपको आवाज आई सर?
सुबह 4:30 बजे। सुबह 4:30 बजे मैं खुद बाहर खड़ा था। जब मैंने धमाका आया तो मैंने फार्म पे फोन किया अपने काश्तकार को कि ये धमाके बज रहे हैं, क्या सीन था इधर। तो उसने आके यहाँ देखा तो बोला साहब एक बहुत बड़ा टुकड़ा पड़ा है। मेन टुकड़ा तो यहाँ पास में ही ढाणी है, उनके वहाँ गिरा। वहां से ये जंप करता ये मिसाइल का टुकड़ा अपने मेरे खेत में आके गिरा है।
जी। We'll get back to the visuals again. We'll move to a safer direction because the army personals are also inspecting the projectile out here. Now you heard the villagers speaking that they heard a loud explosion at around 30 in the morning in 2 locations, in another location which is just 500 to 600 meters from this particular area. Now the army personals have cordoned off this area and they are inspecting this projectile. Back to you.